How to install Windows Server 2019. Insert Windows Server, install media and start the computer. Then, following screen displayed, proceed next to click Next button. Click Install now to start installation. Select the edition of Windows Server you'd like to install. On this example, proceed with Data Center with graphical version. Read license terms and check a box I accept the license terms to proceed next. For newly installation of Windows Server, select Custom, Install Windows Only. Select a partition and click Next to install Windows Server. Installation of Windows Server starts. During installation, computer restarts automatically. After restarting computer, following screen is shown, then set administrator password. Press Ctrl+Alt+Del key to sign in. Input the administrator password to sign in. Just log on to Windows Server. For initial logon, setting confirmation of networks is displayed like follows, select yes or no. Server Manager is display on Windows Server 2019 desktop. Installation of Windows Server completed. Please comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.